In the next World War, the finger pulling the trigger won't belong to a human. We've entered the era of the algorithmic frontline, and the stakes are no longer just life and death, they are binary. Picture a drone swarm over a darkened city, acting not as individual machines, but as a single, hive-minded predator. This isn't a scene from Terminator, it's a field report from modern combat zones. Today, we're stepping out of the trenches, and we're going to look at the flash wars that happen in milliseconds, the end of human privacy in battle, and the moment a line of code decides who survives the night. By the end of this video, you'll realize the next great arms race isn't about nuclear warheads. It's about who has the better data. Imagine a young soldier named Elias, hunkered down in a ruin. In wars past, Elias's biggest threat was a sniper he couldn't see. Today, his threat is an algorithm he can't even comprehend. High above him, a loitering munition, a kamikaze drone, isn't being steered by a pilot in a trailer in Nevada. It's hunting. Beyond the drones, there is the brain. Software platforms now ingest billions of data points in real time, satellite imagery, intercepted encrypted messages, and even the digital exhaust of soldiers posting to social media. But AI doesn't just destroy tanks, it destroys truth. In a bunker across the border, a cyber specialist deploys a deep fake video that went viral of a nation's president calling for a ceasefire. It looks real. It sounds real. The soldiers on the front line see it on their phones, they drop their weapons, and the defense collapses. AI has turned the human mind into a battlefield, where the most effective weapon is a perfectly generated lie. AI is a black box. When it mistakes a school bus for a tank, if a line of code commits a war crime, who goes to prison? The programmer who wrote it, or the general who clicked execute? We are facing a terrifying accountability gap. We've hit the speed of irrelevance. If an enemy AI strikes in 0.4 milliseconds, a human who takes 30 seconds to think is already dead. By removing the human in the loop, we risk algorithms escalating a border skirmish into a nuclear exchange before a leader even wakes up. This is the singularity of conflict. The battlefield is now too fast for the human brain. We've taught machines to kill with surgical precision, but we can't teach them the value of a life. We are outsourcing our morality to processors that only understand efficiency. AI is no longer a tool, it's a participant. We are witnessing the birth of the invisible general, an entity that doesn't bleed, doesn't sleep, and doesn't stop. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribing and dropping a like, and feel free to express yourself in the comments.